Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. Today we're going to have a look at 10 French expressions related to food and drink. Stay tuned till the end because I've kept my favourite for last. The first one we're going to have a look at is tomber dans les pommes. Literally, to fall in apples, as in to faint. And the example I've got here is Isabelle est tombée dans les pommes à l'école hier. Isabelle fainted at school yesterday. Then we've got avoir la pêche, which means to have the peach, as in to feel energetic or in a good mood. Mon fils a la pêche aujourd'hui, c'est rare. My son's in a good mood today, it's rare. And then c'est la fin des haricots. Literally, it's the end of the beans, as in it's the end of everything. Chloé a raté son examen, alors c'est la fin des haricots. Chloé messed up her exam, so it's the end of everything, the end of the beans. Our next one is avoir un cœur d'artichaut. Literally, to have an artichoke heart, as in to fall in love easily. Malika a un nouveau copain toutes les semaines. Elle a un cœur d'artichaut. Malika has a new boyfriend every week. She falls in love easily. Mettre du beurre dans les épinards. Literally, to put butter in your spinach, as in to improve your financial situation. La prime de fin d'année met vraiment du beurre dans les épinards. The end of year bonus is really improving our finances. Then we've got avoir un petit creux. Literally, to have a small hollow, as in to be a bit hungry. You'd say in the UK to be a bit peckish. J'ai un petit creux. Je vais chercher un truc dans le frigo. I'm a bit peckish. I'm going to get something in the fridge. And you see how I've used un truc because it's really familiar, rather than quelque chose. It's what we'd use on a daily basis. Rouler quelqu'un dans la farine. Now you could actually say rouler quelqu'un. You don't need dans la farine, but it's a bit more graphic that way. It means to roll someone in flour, as in to trick or to scam them. Ne va pas dans ce magasin. Il roule tout le monde dans la farine. Or just il roule tout le monde would be enough. Don't go into this shop. They scam everybody. One of my favorites is ne pas être dans son assiette. Literally, to not be in your plate, as in to feel unwell. Je sais pas ce que j'ai, mais je ne suis pas dans mon assiette. I don't know what I've got, but I feel unwell. Our next one is être soupe au lait. Literally, to be milk soup, as in to have a quick temper. Le mari de Gina est très soupe au lait. Gina's husband has a very quick temper. And finally, my favorite, and we literally use it all the time, en faire tout un fromage, is to make a whole cheese out of something, as in to make a big deal out of nothing, basically. On va pas en faire tout un fromage. Let's not make a big deal out of this. This very sentence, on ne va pas en faire tout un fromage, you will hear all the time. Before you go, remember you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the links in the description. It's full of tips and tricks to make your French language journey a little bit easier.